Welcome to the video. This is all the ways to earn with Cointiply. The first way that you can earn is by rolling the faucet. You can roll the faucet once every hour. Each day that you roll the faucet in a row, you'll earn a 1% bonus. For example, if you are active for 100 days, you'll double your faucet roll earnings within a 100% bonus. However, if you skip a day, you'll lose the bonus and have to start over at the beginning. The second way to earn is surveys. The most consistent and highest paying option is surveys. Although some countries and careers may not qualify for as many surveys, it is important to be truthful and consistent in responding. If your answers are random or you use a VPN, you can and most likely will be banned from many of the survey sites. There are many survey providers, but my favorites are CPX and TheoremReach. Both offer high-paying surveys that are easy to complete. The third option is offers. In addition to surveys, there are many offer walls as well. Offers can range from visiting and exploring a website to signing up for a monthly service. Many of the offers are for app installs. When looking for apps, make sure to filter by operating system. If your offer isn't credited after completion, give it a day or two and contact customer support for the offer wall directly and follow their directions via email. The fourth way to earn is with PTC Ads. Another way to earn is paid-to-click ads. When doing this, be sure to keep the tab open until the timer fully expires. Then click on the icon to verify your click. Unverified clicks will not be paid out. You can only have one paid-to-click tab open at a time. There is a convenient button that will always pick the highest paying ad. The next way is called the Chat Rain bonus. This is one of the most misunderstood ways to earn. Many newbies think they'll earn coins by chatting in the chat room. In reality, the Chat Rain pool pays out based on how active you've been that day. If you've already earned some coins and want to take a break, the chat is a good place to go. If not, simply enter the pool and continue earning elsewhere. The chat pool pays out wherever you are on the site. The next way to earn is videos. Technically, this option isn't through Cointiply, but a third-party website. You can get to it through some of the offer walls, or just go directly there and set up an account. The website is called hideout.co. Once you're set up with an account, just start watching videos to earn points. Once you've earned enough points, you can cash them out to one of their partner sites, like Cointiply.